Greeting from Indian Medical Association. I am Dr. K. Agarwal, Honorary Secretary General IMA and President Heartcare Foundation of India. Participate in IMA's Dengue War, the war against dengue mosquito. And this our war have started now. It's going to continue till October. Our purpose is to take away the menace of mosquito in the country. We want to kill the mosquito in and mosquito out, the larvae in the fresh water and in the dirty water. We want to kill the egg, the larvae, the pupa and the adult mosquito. So in or out, whether it is a stagnant water or a running water. Remember, dengue mosquito is a day biter, so we want to have our campaign day or night, because we don't only want to kill the dengue mosquito but also the Culex or the Anopheles mosquito. As far as eggs are concerned, the eggs of a mosquito can remain up to 1 year. Therefore, unless we rub clean a utensil, the eggs are not going to be killed. The larvae can be easily differentiated. That larva of a dengue can be, the mosquito can lay egg even in a drop of water. Even in the cap of a soft drink, the dengue mosquito can lay eggs. So therefore, the smaller containers look for Aedes, bigger containers look for everything, including Aedes. That means Anopheles or Culex. On the surface, if you see the larvae, this is either Culex or Anopheles. But if the larvae are seen on the bottom, then it is the Aedes larvae. Kill those Aedes larvae. Take out the water. Don't wash. Don't run the water in the flush, because it will reach the neighbor's house. The mosquito will not be killed. The larvae will not be killed. Take that water, empty it on the surface of a sand or on the ground, so that the water evaporates and the larvae die. Kill the pupae similarly, either by a Tamifos, which is available free, or the larvae can be killed by Gambusia fish, which you can grow it in your area with that. And apart from that, for the mosquito, use different types of insecticides. Use the insecticide mosquito net and try to see to it that the mosquitoes are killed. So remember, dengue war of IMA, dengue in, dengue out. That means mosquito in, mosquito out, mosquito day, mosquito night. Kill the larvae, kill the pupa, kill the eggs, and kill the adult mosquito, unless we do a comprehensive approach. And don't forget that if you are a doctor and if you see the first case of dengue, have an alarm, send a SMS to all the PIN code doctors residing in that area and put the alarm and ask the patients to trace the dengue mosquito breeding. Unless you trace that breeding, in the next 72 hours you will find that 3 more patients of dengue has already fallen.